Did you know every time Jamaica shakes, the dead start walking? In communities called Zion Hill, residents see phantom figures leaving cemeteries during earthquakes. Even tiny tremors wake them up. The island sits on unstable ground. When it shifts, locals say restless spirits get disturbed too. These hilltop communities keep emergency spiritual protocols ready: holy water, salt circles, special prayers. Because when the earth moves in Jamaica, the Duppy Dem move too. One woman saw her dead grandfather walking down from the cemetery during a small quake. He pointed toward her house before vanishing. The roof collapsed that same night. Respect the warnings.